In the next 48 hours, the price of Bitcoin will have a tremendous breakout, which could take us to $100,000. And on top of the technical patterns that I'll share on this video, we have some breaking news from the Fed Chair's Powell. We have breaking news from President Trump. We also have breaking news from President Putin. So a lot of presidents in today's discussion. And of course, we wanted to go into and talk about our Bitcoin position that I literally just opened a few minutes ago, but I'll be adding so much more to it. Ethereum is going to see a tremendous breakout. I think it's going to be the next altcoin that surprises everybody. So a trade is coming for Ethereum too. Watch until the end. It's going to be a fantastic video. And I do have a little surprise to all of the crypto kids. And with that said, if you've destroyed the like button, if you subscribe to the channel, then we can jump right into the Bitcoin technical analysis. So if we go to the 4-hourly time frame for Bitcoin, you can see that there's a huge symmetrical triangle forming. And if we do end up seeing the break upwards, it's going to be fantastic. But I'm not too confident of that bullish scenario yet. It is still a little bit 50-50. So this symmetrical triangle takes us to $105,000 per Bitcoin. But something we need to be careful of is the huge amount of sell side liquidity piled up at exactly $100,000 per Bitcoin. So there is so much selling pressure at 100K. As soon as we go above the prior all-time high, we could face a flash crash on Bitcoin before breaking above 100K and reaching phenomenal levels, even above $105,000. So this is actually pretty interesting in terms of how our play is going to be for Bitcoin. What I'm planning on doing is I'm going to put my stop loss for my long position for this wick right here. So 94,500 is going to be my stop loss for my position here on now Coinflare, previously Bitflex. They did a huge and fantastic rebrand. So if we go to Bitcoin here, I'm going to add to my long position. So it's 20x. Let's put another $1,000 into this Bitcoin position. My take profit is going to be Valhalla, but I want to put a stop loss here at $94,550 because if we do see a breakdown, things will not be too good. Unfortunately, if we do end up really seeing a breakdown here on the daily time frame from the symmetrical triangle, Bitcoin will likely go below the into the $80,000 region. So we really don't want Bitcoin to break below. But the fundamental analysis is pretty good. That's why I want to be long in this position for now, and I'm willing to take the risk. I'm also willing to take the risk here on Ethereum. So I'll talk about Ethereum before I go into the breaking news with Bitcoin. But you can basically see that Ethereum is printing a huge, also bullish pennant / symmetrical triangle pattern here on the weekly time frame. Usually I would wait for this candle on the weekly to close and confirm a breakout before entering into long positions, but I can't get it. I can't just wait. I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait until, Ethereum goes up 20-30% and then I miss out on this opportunity. So what I did was, again, I opened a lot of long positions in my personal account, and here on the $10,000 trading challenge with Coinflare, I'm also going to be opening up a huge Ethereum position that hopefully does well, right? Because if we need to be careful with altcoins, we can't go crazy leverage with altcoins, just like what we do with Bitcoin, because the chance of liquidation increases a lot. So a lot of beginner traders are making the mistake of playing with leverage in the wrong way where they get liquidated. So we need to be careful here. Let's do 1,500 USDT to start off with. Do we even have that much in our, yeah, okay, this should be fine. There we go. So open long and click confirm. There we go. Okay, so now we're long in Ethereum. I want to put my stop loss to, I'm just checking the chart on the left-hand side. We want to put it to 3,710. Okay, so if this trade gets stopped out, I'm going to re-enter it again. It could take like at least 2 to 3 attempts to get this trade correctly. So bear with me on the following videos. I'll update you on the Telegram community, which you can join using the link in the description down below for free. But it may take a few trades to get this Ethereum one correct. And by the way, if you're looking for a place to be buying and selling cryptocurrencies, the best place to be trading crypto is using Coinflare. And with this link down below, previously Bitflex, you can get up to $100, in fact, $20 for free if you deposit 100 USDT and make one trade. So if you literally do one of the two trades that I've just taken, the Bitcoin or the Ethereum trade, with $100 if you just deposit into your account and use it to make these trades, then you'll get 20 USDT for free, which you can use in any other altcoin. But let's jump into the breaking news, and then I want to have a look at TRX and some of the other crazy tokens that have been pumping very recently. But we saw that President Putin said that nobody can ban Bitcoin. He spoke about this on a huge conference. Like, Bitcoin is being a massively international topic. And from the sources that I have, it could be very much the case that the UAE could even be buying Bitcoin as a national reserve. I don't know if I'm allowed to say this, but I've said it, okay? It's not confirmed yet, but I am getting reports. I am getting sources that that could be the situation. And trust me, if that happens, it is huge. So many countries are going to ape into Bitcoin. You're not going to believe what has happened. Trump isn't even president yet. He selected a pro-crypto SEC chair. He literally, like, he mentions in his tweet saying that he also recognizes that digital assets and other innovations are crucial to making America greater than ever before. Like, you guys do not understand the significance of what is going on. You literally have no clue. Bitcoin is going to go to 200K, most likely in the cycle. And if you're in crypto, if you're in Bitcoin, you're going to be rewarded massively. This is huge news. Crypto business in the United States is going to flourish. That is what that means. And the Fed Chair Powell just said that Bitcoin is a competitor with gold, not with the US dollar, which is fantastic news for United States investors. This is why the price of Bitcoin went up to 96.6 from $94,000 in the past hour or so. So looking incredibly bullish for Bitcoin here. I'm very excited. I'm all in Bitcoin, and I will continue to be all in Bitcoin, even if, like, you know, altcoins like XRP are seeing a huge pump, which I think, by the way, the pump for XRP is sadly over. It's not going to continue happening. That is the unfortunate scenario. If you want one alpha for this show, I can tell you that Dogecoin, I really believe, is going to be the next token to pump. So let me check if they have Doge here on Coinflare. Yep, they do. I'll quickly show you the chart as well. Look, this is a perfect ascending bull flag, right? So this is a perfect ascending bull flag pattern, and I'm going to open a 1,000 USDT long on Dogecoin right now. There we go. And it should be confirmed. There you go. Okay, so 1,000 USDT long. I'm going to put my stop loss at 0.388. So let's do 0.388. There you go. So max drawdown is nothing significant. Fantastic. So that's also our Dogecoin position. And the final thing, guys, that I want to mention before ending off this video is that I'm going to be a part of one of the most legendary debates in Bitcoin history. We are going to be debating Bitcoin versus crypto with the one and only Saifedean Ammous, the author of the legendary Bitcoin Standard, and also Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, investor in Huobi, Sun Pump. Like, he's also the guy that bought a banana for $6.5 million and then ate it live. We're going to be debating Bitcoin versus crypto with these two legends, and of course Marty and Alan too, with Carl the Moon as well himself. So I am so excited for this panel. It's going to be moderated by my friend Mario Nafal. If you are in the UAE, if you are in the Middle East, if you're abroad, come to this conference. I'm telling you, you're not going to regret coming to this conference. There is huge speakers that will be attending. And from, again, rumors that I'm getting, there could be someone associated with this guy being in Abu Dhabi at the same time as this conference. So I'm just going to say that much. But if you want to get tickets, you can go to tickets. And if you use, let's do general admission, if you use code CryptoKid, you should still be able to get 10% off. There you go. You can still get a 10% discount if you want to attend this conference. It is in 5 days. We have a booth with the Moon Show. It should be absolutely fantastic. I think I may have just orange pilled Lando Norris today. That's also something that I'll leave just there. But if you want to find out more, you can follow me over on Instagram, where I share my journey as a 17-year-old Bitcoin and crypto entrepreneur. But with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. It's been a fantastic video, and I'll see you guys very soon on the Moon Show and on the CryptoKid channel. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful day. And as always, bye.